Okay, so hi dear Pisces, a very good evening to you guys. This is 7 days, 7 Oshos and tarot messages for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 30th of December till the 5th of January. You can take it as messages, guidance, warnings, or challenges or obstacles on your path in this particular week. Yeah, like want to be a reader like me? You can start your journey by purchasing my course. Link is in description. Want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start? You can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Everything is given in the description box, and one-on-one slots or readings, everything is given in the description box. For any queries, you can mail us on the modernsannyasin@gmail.com. The previous mail is not working, so don't mail on that. So let's start. Pisces. Let's see. 30th, we have the turning in. So instead of taking advices from multiple people and getting all confused about a situation that is kind of difficult for you to make decision of or choice for, please turn into your own energies and listen to what your inner self has to say, and then make the choice and the decisions. Okay, the decision should not be based on other persons or other people's choices and energies. It should be your voice and your energy, your decision. 31st, we have the conditioning. So you might realize that you are not the person that you always thought you are, or you are not the kind of person that you always thought you are. So there are lots of sheep here and one lion. So you might feel like you are the lion in the herd of sheep, and you should do something about it. So it's like basically feeling the shift within yourself, that you are not the same person or not the same energy as you used to be, and you have to do something about the change and the shift that you're feeling within yourself. Okay, so you have to reprogram your subconscious mind and accept the truth that you are not same as everyone else. You're not fitting in the bill here anymore, in the box anymore. Okay, 1st of January, we have the healing. You might be able to connect with people or situations and things that you will be able to be vulnerable in front of, and that will help you to heal, to start the healing process in a very deeper way, in a very positive way from 1st of January onwards. You might take healing classes, or you might meet some healer or guru or spiritual person who can help you, or a therapist, anybody who can help you to be vulnerable in front of them, and the healing process will start from this point onwards in a very positive and deeper way. 2nd January, we have the patience. You might be working on something from quite a long time now, and now you feel like you are losing the patience, you're losing the hope in that particular situation. Keep going, keep going. This is something that's going to take time in order to be like completely done, in order to have a beautiful outcome. Okay, this is something that's not going to be a one day job, but this is going to be eventually there for you. Keep the patience and keep on going. Okay, and keep a check on your moods according to the moon cycles, and work on that. Hmm. Okay, 3rd of January, we have the experiencing. So on the 3rd of January, you might be in this energy of experiencing the same kind of a pattern again and again and again. But because you're experienced, you have knowledge, you have wisdom, you will be able to come out of that situation. So use your wisdom, use your knowledge, use your experience in a situation where you feel you are feeling stuck in, because you have gone through this a lot of times. Now this time you have to break the cycle with your wisdom and the knowledge that you gained through your experience or experiences in a particular situation from time to time. Hmm. 4th, we have the miser here. So you might be in this lack mindset in some way. You might be in this energy of this is mine, or this person is mine, this situation is mine, this is something that I'm never going to share with anybody, because I myself have not abundance of this particular situation or thing. So the more you are going to like focus on lack mindset, the more you will be able to the more you will be in this energy of feeling lack about each and everything, feeling this miserable kind of energy. Focus on gratitude, focus on forgiveness, focus on abundance mindset, and you will be able to get out of this. Okay, whenever you go in this negative mindset of being miserable about something or someone, try to understand the universe have abundance of everything, and you're just one a little part of universe, so you can get anything you want, but you have to be in in that mindset first. 5th, we have the going with the flow. The more you're going to go against the flow, the more it's going to be difficult for you to live your life peacefully. So basically, whatever is happening, let it happen. The things, people, and situations that you can't change, please let them go and surrender to the divine. Whatever is happening is actually happening for your highest good. Instead of going against the flow, go with the flow and see the magic unfolding the way it should in your life. Okay, Pisces. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.